You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the figure that is displayed on the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. The first thing you do when you hear the word isometric projection is for you to draw your isometric axis. That is, you draw your y-axis, you draw your x-axis, and you draw the z-axis this way. You can see that on the z-axis, right? So you look for the entire height. The entire height of this given figure is given to be 60, right? So you measure 60 from the base here, you take it up, and this is 60 here. From 0 to 6 is 60, right? And the entire width, the entire length is given to be 76, and I'm going to measure 76 from here, from 0 to 76. Then the width here is given to be 44, as you can see, from 0 to 44. Then I'm going to project all these points. I'll project them up. So this will move from here upward, and this will move from here upward. Then this, I'll close it up, and this, I'll close it up. I'll do the same thing here too. I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing here too. This is all what we have here. Now if you look at the figure closely, you discover that this axis here is thickened. So I'm going to thicken here this way. You can see that? And from here to here is 10, which is from here to here, and also from here to here, which is from here to here. So I'll measure 10 apiece. So from here, from 0 to 10 is it here, and from here also from 0 to 10. I'll thicken it. Can you see that? Now the next thing is the angle here you see is at the height of what? Height of 15 degree or 15 millimeters, you can see. So I'm going to measure 15 upward this way. Right? Get the center of the figure first of all. From here to here. This is the center of 4 around here. There where the center is. Then I'll draw my vertical line upward this way. Vertical line upward. And I'll measure 15 vertically from this point here. So 0 to 15 is here. Then I'll take my meter rule and I'll connect from this point to this 15 point here. And I'll connect from this point to this 15 point here. Can you see that? Now, the height here to here is given to be 20, and I'll measure an height of what? 20 millimeter from here. 0 to here is 20. And I'll thicken it. Then I'll close it up here. Also, because it is closed. All together. And I'll also close it up too here. Can you see that? Then I'll come take this line, center line, take it upward. So it means that this side to just to the center here. Then what I'll do is, since from here to here is 18 and 20, so I'll measure 18. I'll measure 9 to the right, 9 to the left. So I'm going to measure 9 to the right and 9 to the left. From 0, we'll measure 9. This is 9 here, and this is also 9 here. Can you see that? Let me first of all bring this out first. So I mean that from here to is what? 18. So we'll just taking it to this point and also to this point. Can you see that? And the other one is 20. So I'm going to measure 20. So from 0 to 20 here and to another 20 here. That is 40, right? So I'll just come here and I will take in here. Come here too, and I'll take in here. Then I'll close here up this way. And also close it up this way. I'll close here too, here this way. And I'll close it up to this way. You can see that? Then I'll bring it down a little bit. Measure a depth, as you can see, of 10. Out there, I'll measure a depth of 10. So from here, from 0 to 10. So here also, I'll take this downward this way. Then I'll take in from here to here. And close from here to here. Then move this from here to here. As you can see in the diagram, then you close from here to here. Right? Also here too, you bring it down too. You close from here to here. So we close here to here. Out there. Then I can easily transfer this point from this point to this point. Stop here. Then I can easily bring it down. Then bring it down too. Can you see that? Then I'll bring it down too. Are we communicating? And I'll bring it down too. Hope you can see that. So let's now assume that, as you can see, there is a shape here all together, and the height where that shape is placed is at the height of what? The height of 32, right? So I'm going to measure 32 this way from 0 to 32. This 32 here. Can you see that? And I can take it in straight ahead. So measuring the 32, right? Just project a line this way. Can you see that? Then you now measure this to the center, you now measure this 22. That will lead you to the center of that figure. So from 0 to 22 here, which you know is the center of the figure, right? I'll wanna draw a line at that center. See what I want to do. So if that is 22, I'll also take my compass. We know that from here to this point here is 22. I'll come here to I'll mark 22. I'll come here also I'll mark 22. Then I'll join those points together. Alright, and I'll drain this. I already have this before. So on that line, I'm going to measure 12 millimeter apart. So since that you see this square here is to have a square in front of this figure, meaning that it's a square that is placed here, right? So if I should come here, if it's not in your own diagram, you don't have to bother to draw this. So I'll have this way from 0 to 6. And I'll come here, I'll place here, mark 6, I'll mark 6, I'll mark 6, and 6. Right? You measure from here to here. Then you come here, you mark up, you come here, you mark down, you come to the left, you do the same thing, you come to the right, you do the same thing. Then you now use your meter rule and connect them. Just faint lines first. Faint line first. The reason why I'm doing like that because it is what? Inclined. Are we there? Now the same thing will happen here too. So if I have from here to this point that I marked, I'll come here and mark here too. And then I'll just mark here. I'll mark here, come here, I'll mark here. Come to this point here. If from here to here is to this point, right? Can you see that? So I'll come here, also mark here, which is already there. So let's have all these points here. So these are the points I am going to join together to give me what I want. So let's join it. This is what we have. So we have successfully produced the figure that you can see at the right hand side of the screen using isometric projection. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.